Let us discuss a problem on transpose of a given matrix. Here the first question is, if A equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, show that A transpose equal to A transpose A equal to identity matrix. Here first take A matrix, A equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. A transpose means change the row into column. So that is cos alpha row can write as column cos alpha sin alpha. Second row is minus sin alpha cos alpha write into column. Okay. This is the A transpose. Now we take the multiplication of two matrices A and A transpose. A transpose equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now we product these two, row into column, that is equal to cos alpha into cos alpha cos square alpha plus sin alpha into sin alpha sin square alpha. The first row first column multiplication is the first element of the resultant matrix. Next first row second column minus cos alpha sin alpha into cos alpha is sin alpha cos alpha. So then second row multiply with first column matrix of the second, minus sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha, then minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha sin square alpha plus cos alpha into cos alpha cos square alpha. We know the identity, that is trigonometric identities. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. These two are same terms with negative signs, 0. In the second row first element also same terms with negative sign, 0. Sin square plus sin square alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 1. This is the identity matrix of order 2. Then take the multiplication of A transpose into A. A transpose matrix is cos alpha minus sin alpha as a row, sin alpha cos alpha. Then A matrix is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Here product the two matrices. First matrix row, second matrix column. First element product is cos square alpha and minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha plus sin square alpha. Cos alpha into sin alpha minus sin alpha into cos alpha. The second row first column sin alpha into cos alpha minus cos alpha into sin alpha. Sin alpha into sin alpha sin square alpha, cos alpha into cos alpha cos square alpha. It is equal to, from the identity trigonometry, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. Here two same terms with opposite signs, it becomes 0. Two same terms with opposite signs, it becomes 0. From the identity sin square alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 1, it is also identity matrix with 2 by 2 order. From this we can say that A transpose equal to A transpose A equal to identity matrix. It is proved.